And today we are seeing how to use order by clause. Okay, so let's see first our table we will check. Let's select star from staff. Okay, select star from employee. This is our table. So in this table we can see how we can use a order by clause. Okay, so order by clause we can use on any column. So let's check. Select star from emp, then we have to use order by, and which column we require order, so we can use like order by salary. Okay, now order by we can give by two ways: ascending, that is from 0 to uh, onwards, like 0 to 100, like that way, or descending from highest value to lowest value. And in we can use it is also varchar data type column also, like from A to Z or Z to A. If it is ascending, it is A to Z, and if it is descending, it is Z to A. So let's say salary is ascending, so we have to use mention word ascending. So and run it. Okay, so we can see ascending means from lowest value to highest value it will be showing. So this way we can consider the salary. Okay, similarly, if we want to do it descending, we can just same query, select star from employee order by salary, and just we have to use word descending, DESC. So it will be given the output in the descending order, that is from highest to lowest, that is 5000 to 3000. So this way we can use and the column. Let's take another example. Select star from emp order by name. This time we will give order on the name column, ascending. Okay, and run it. Now it will be showing order from A to Z, like this way. And similarly, if you want in descending order, so just instead ascending we are use DESC, descending. If it is descending, so you can see that it is starting from S, means it will be showing in the descending order from Z to A, like this way. So like this way we can use order by clause by using ascending or descending on any column. Okay, so this way we can see. Okay, now the we are using order by clause not only on single column, we can use on multiple column also. So how can we do that? Let's see. So select star from emp order by, we will consider salary column first. Salary, we will considering salary descending. Okay, and we are using another column name ascending. Okay, so you can see here we are given order by salary column first, descending, so salary will be sorted descendingly from highest to lowest, and after that name will be showing into ascending. So we can see that name into showing in the ascending. Like consider 5000 is the salary first, both have value have 5000 5000. So in that case name should value in descending order, so Dev first come and after that Ram come. Like in the same 4000, Gita first come and S come after, so it is like that way, and Puja and Sita. But if we are doing name also descending, so the order will be changed. Like now our Ram is first, Dev is second, and similarly all other names you can check. Okay, you can see here Ram is first, Dev is second. Similarly Sham come first, Gita comes later, Sita come first, and Puja comes later. Means we can give order on any column, ascending or descending, but the order is first column sorted firstly, and after that second column sorted. So like this way, like operator can be used. Okay, thank you.